Peace, everybody. So, a special announcement, y'all. I'm going to be in Houston this Saturday, the 15th, from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Shouts out to Houston. Shouts out to everybody who's already RSVP'd, baby. Pretty Boss TV meet and greets coming up this Saturday. I'm going to be touching down in the city on Friday, leaving out on Sunday, but we will be doing the meet and greet this Saturday. There's a venue booked. This meet and greet, y'all, and this thing was really inspired by the first Pretty Boss TV meet and greet, which was held in Atlanta. Okay, I want to say it was in July, y'all. This year's been going by so fast. It could have been June or July. Forgive me. But that meet and greet was what turned the light bulb on for me. It was such a dope thing to do. Was able to meet, link. More people showed up than I anticipated because I didn't do the whole RSVP thing. Had to end up getting 2 tables, but it was just a dope event. Like, we really didn't want to leave each other. I think we were all feeling that way. Really got to speak about some things, but it made me like, you know what? I want to do these Pretty Boss TV meet and greets, and I want to come to y'all. You know, there's many cities. I know people have been, every time I do meet and greets, people drop the comments, other cities, where you at, let me know, because I'll come out. The reason I'm coming to Houston is because I remember last time I did a shout out, I got a lot of H-Town love. So I'm like, okay, I got to come to Houston. So we're coming to Houston, y'all. Pretty Boss TV meet and greet. Like I said, if you're interested in reserving your space, only 18 seats available because this is an intimate setting. And yes, it's a meet and greet, but this is a workshop. Y'all know I'm coming with this spiritual food. All right, let's get this work in person. This is like a live Q&A. I'm gonna be giving a presentation where we're talking about, you know, again, we're gonna be talking about DNA upgrades. Okay, we're gonna be talking about basically 4D awareness. I don't want to say 4D consciousness is that, but think about 4D awareness. We're going to be talking about that. Also, I'm going to be bringing out some of the books that I love that has really transformed me to bring, you know, just in case y'all have any questions. Really, we're going to be getting it in. It's only 2 hours, so I'm going to do my best, but trust me, those 2 hours are going to be jam-packed, okay, with spiritual food and wisdom, and not just spiritual food, that material wisdom as well. Y'all know how I do. So anyways, y'all, if you want to RSVP your ticket, go ahead and email prettybosstv@gmail.com. Now, remember, this is first come, first serve. Also, this is early bird tickets, okay? So, the ticket prices have been reduced, but again, you have to go ahead and reserve your spot by Friday. So anyways, y'all, I'm really excited about this. It's going to be in H-Town. All right. You know, it's so funny, y'all, because I'm really not even nervous about it. I'm lit. Like, it can't come quick enough. And like I said, because of the inclement weather, you know, sometimes they hype these things up, y'all. I'm feeling really good about everything. And a little bit of rain sure ain't gonna stop no show. You know, it'll make the meditation that much better when we do it, okay? But just in case there are, like, let's say my flight's canceled, what I'm intending on doing, if there's a flight cancellation, I'm going to push the meet and greet to the weekend afterwards. But I don't intend for there to be that. And let's say for some reason I couldn't reschedule, or I can't reschedule anytime within the next 10 days of the original date, I will go ahead and fully refund all ticket purchases, and I'll let y'all know the next time I'll be back. But just wanted to get out the way. I'll be in Houston, baby. It's going down. It's written in the stars. I feel like it's written in the stars, okay? So let's get this meet and greet popping. Also, I almost forgot to tell y'all, I got spiritual goodie bags for everybody who's RSVPing. So I'm already working on the bags, y'all. You know, I got it coming. A lot of goodies in here. Y'all know it might just be, you know, it's going to be some crystals in here. Who knows what kind of smudging tools. Who knows, you know, I might throw a money spell jar in one of these bags. I'm really thinking about doing that. So a lucky person is going to get a money spell jar. If anybody who's from New Orleans to get that, you know, that Mardi Gras cake that we love, you know, whoever gets the cake with the golden baby is the lucky one. So it's gonna be that same kind of concept, but everybody's getting a goodie bag, and it's gonna be some good stuff in here, candles, all kind of stuff. Y'all know how I do. I'm gonna make a run to the Botanica later today, just so I can get y'all some Botanica stuff in there, the Yamaya Botanica stuff. Okay. So, anyways, y'all, let me know if y'all have any comments or questions. I'm super excited about it. I've been meant to do this, but like I said, think about this as, you know, I don't want to say a one-on-one because it's you know, it's not like a consultation where it's just me and you, but it's only 18 people so that we can have that intimate setting, okay? So that if you have any questions, they could be answered right there on the spot. You know, I want to do healing activities, y'all. We're going to do a meditation to pop everything off. This event possibly is going to be recorded as well. I don't know if I'm going to have a camera set up or if I'm going to pay somebody to come in. Just getting everything together, and it's all last minute. And that, again, that's why I said I have the early bird ticket prices, and I'm extending it until as late as I can on Friday, y'all. So I love y'all. Tickets are affordable, no worries, okay? Oh, and the ticket also includes there's gonna be like some kind of refreshments. I want to do catering, y'all, but I'm gonna be honest, just this whole weather situation, and kind of since I just started planning this meet and greet a few weeks ago, kind of up in the air. But definitely there's gonna be some refreshments, and knowing me, I'm probably just gonna be like, just put it on the card, just catering. You know what I'm saying? With the original ticket prices, all of that was included. But since I'm doing early bird tickets, still gonna make sure we eating and drinking good up in there, some. But we gonna see about it. But I just wanted to let y'all know the full story behind the meet and greet. And remember, Houston. Then where are we going next? We're going to Atlanta again next, y'all. Oh my gosh, if you're in Atlanta, go ahead and email me now. I'm actually probably going to make an Eventbrite event page for the rest of these meet and greets. I've already gotten so many emails from Atlanta, so I cannot wait to come see y'all. I'm probably going to do a special ticket price because I'm really trying to take this next Atlanta meet and greet to a whole nother level. I cannot wait to come see y'all. All right, y'all know that's like my second home away from home. I'm like right up the street from Atlanta, not far away, so I'm gonna be down there. Okay, the next stop, Los Angeles. We're gonna be in LA from October. Well, we'll be in LA. I think the meet and greet itself is gonna be on November the 3rd. Okay, then we have the Gatlinburg retreat coming up in December, which is December 7th through the 9th. But the actual meet and greet for those of y'all who are not going to be in the Mansion Gatlinburg retreat, which is something that was extended for Patreons only, we'll have public meet and greets in the future. You can still come to the mansion for a day when I actually do the meet and greet itself, okay? So, and then I will be in New York. I'm gonna be in Manhattan in January. All right, I want to say January 9th or the 10th, y'all gotta look at my flyer, but all these dates is popping. All these things have been reserved and booked, okay? So if you are in any of those cities and are interested, make sure that you email me at prettybosstv@gmail.com. I'm gonna have the events, I'll keep all your emails and I will keep everybody posted as things are unraveling, okay? So anyways, I love y'all. I talk to y'all later. Remember, we're talking about 4D consciousness, 4D living, y'all. Like, this moment in time right here, my mission is to really get as many people on the wave as possible of where we're at now, of this new future, of this new wave. The old paradigm is out. I gave an example kind of when we were talking about the new moon ritual, about like there being a rise of divine feminine energy. But I gave that example just to say, just in the same way that there's like a rebalancing of energies, everything is shifting, y'all. Everything from business to the way that you value yourself in this world. How we exchange energy, how we exchange currency, the meaning of it. What is currency now? How do you actually create the reality that you want? How does this process actually work? Everybody says things that sounds good. I can show you tons of YouTube videos where people are talking about things that sound good, but how do you apply this stuff? So that's why I'm really excited about these meet and greets, because y'all, in person, it's like, we can talk, we can get it in, we can break things down. A lot of times when I do consultation, there's breakthroughs right over the phone. I don't think there's one consultation that I've done that it hasn't been some type emotional release. So that's what this meeting really about. Like I said, I have my itinerary. I got a schedule for us. Everybody's also going to have resource materials that I'm printing out. So like I said, you're going to have your goodie bags, but I'm also going to have a packet of information for you to take home. Okay, and also that we're going to be using during the meet and greet, just as a reference. But this meet and greet, y'all, at the end of the day, I'm going to do my piece. I'm probably going to do my 30-minute presentation. Then we're going to shift into the Q&A. But this event is about y'all. So each meet and greet is going to be specific to whoever shows up. All right, we're going to let the energy run the show. But anyways, I'm looking so forward to meeting y'all. I love y'all so much. I appreciate everybody who's reached out to me. Shouts out to everybody who can make it. Shouts out to everybody who can't make it. But again, I'm gonna be doing this at least for a while. This is the season to be doing this, y'all. I can't say how long I'll be doing this, but this is what I'm gonna be doing, because like, it's time to really break these barriers, y'all. It's time to really break yokes. It's time to really level up within who we are. And a lot of times when we come together, there's power in numbers. There's power in collective energy. So with these meet and greets, like I said, this isn't just about, hey, pretty boss, what's up? It's about that. That's cool. I love y'all. Definitely want to meet y'all. But it's deeper than that. This is us getting a chance to build. This is us getting a chance to link. And this is a chance of me getting to create mastermind groups in each city, y'all. Because this thing, we taking things to the next level. And you'll be surprised with just a few individuals coming together with one mind on one accord can do the changes that we can make. So that's the bigger vision of these meet and greets. But anyways, I love y'all to death. To death. I didn't say death. To death. I don't even know what that means. Anyways, I love y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. See you Saturday, 1 to 3, okay? And you don't get the official address until you RSVP, baby. All right? And nobody just gonna be popping up. You need to be on the RSVP. Email me prettybossTV@gmail.com. I love y'all. Talk to y'all later. Peace.